Hello everyone, welcome back to Prep Talk. I am Medha and today we are on episode 5 of Understanding APs. So today we'll be discussing AP statistics with our in-house expert Akash Gupta. Akash is a math and statistics mentor at Tutela. So Akash, hello, how are you?
Fine. What about you?
I'm good too. So, Akash, we have a few questions about AP statistics, and we would really appreciate it if you could throw some light on it. So, let's begin.
Sure.
So, my first question would be how would you describe the basic blueprint of AP statistics?
Okay. So, first, let me describe statistics only. So,
Right.
statistics is one of the branches of mathematics,
Mm-hmm.
and we know, see, the kids start studying mathematics in the initial years of schooling only, but still, it is one of the scary subjects for most of them because
True, true.
it is very difficult to relate the concepts of mathematics with the real life, right? But
True,
that is
true.
the factor which differentiates statistics from other subjects of mathematics. In statistics, it is very easy to relate any concept with real life applications. For example, see, statistics deals with the data.
Right, right.
In this digital world, we have a lot of data around us,
True.
right? So, for example, suppose we want to know the effect or the preference for a particular food in a locality, right? Means what male prefers, what female prefers, everything. So, what will we do? We will collect the data from online food delivery company.
True.
Then we will do some statistical calculations on that and we will conclude something, right?
Right,
So
right.
that is the overall idea or broad idea about statistics.
Okay.
Now, AP statistics is nothing but a comprehensive course which provides you the tools to collect the data,
Mm-hmm.
analyze the data, and infer something from that, right? So
Okay.
basically, it will just test the concept of student, not the calculation abilities, right? So there will be two sections or two types of questions any student will get in the exam. MCQs that will test the concept,
Okay.
FRQs that will again test the concept, plus the ability of student to communicate the knowledge to the examiner. That's it.
Okay.
So this is what statistics, AP statistics, all about.
Okay, wonderful. So, coming down to the second question, what would you say about the benefits of AP statistics for Indian students? I mean, for not just Indian students, how in general AP statistics would help an international applicant?
So basically, see, I will tell you two benefits. One for specifically Indian students.
Okay.
Uh, Honestly speaking, Indian students, especially those belonging to the National Education Board like CBSE, they don't study such stuffs at school level. They
Okay.
don't, right? And but they have to learn it at the college level if they want to opt for engineering or any kind of technical subject like data science or machine learning. They must learn it at the college level. So AP statistics provides a platform to those students to learn such kind of steps at the school level only to compete globally. So that is the most important benefit for Indian students.
Okay.
The second benefit will be the general one, that it will, if someone takes the AP statistics and gets a good score, then that will be beneficial for the college credits. Means that the student will get the college credit plus the preference for admission in one of the best colleges abroad.
Right, right. It boosts your application.
Right. So
Okay.
there are two benefits, and specifically for Indian students, it is about the content which
Okay.
they don't study in India at
Okay.
school level.
Okay, okay, wonderful. Okay, so coming to the next question, what are some very important tips for the students who are again preparing for AP Statistics exam for May 2022?
Okay, so first benefit I would like to mention here is related to the ongoing pandemic. In last 2 years, we have seen the significant change in the exam pattern of AP statistics, though that is temporary. But
Definitely.
in 2020, there were only FRQs, no MCQs were there because it was online exam. Second, in 2021, number of MCQs were increased. So what I want to say that to deal with such kind of abrupt changes, one should focus on all parts of the subject. Means one
Okay.
should focus on all chapters, every concept, MCQs and FRQs, everything. Because
Uniform investment
right,
in every chapter, right?
right. Because see, what I see that students generally don't practice FRQs much because that requires more effort, right?
Okay.
Because you should have the good writing skills to write FRQs. You need to write your
Okay.
answers in detailed manner. So
Okay.
they don't do it, right? But
Mm-hmm.
in 2020, only FRQs were there. Now,
Mm-hmm.
how to deal with such kind of things? So a student have to be prepared for everything or every kind of change,
Mm-hmm.
especially in this pandemic.
Okay.
And second tip, that is regarding the calculator use.
Mm-hmm.
In statistics, in AP statistics, more than 60% of calculations can be done on calculator. As I said earlier, that this course does not test the calculation abilities.
Mm-hmm.
So what you just need to know the concept, how to apply it, what to write, and how to write. That is it.
Okay.
Rest of the things can be taken care of by calculator.
Okay.
It can do everything, right from drawing your histogram, box plot, to getting probabilities for
Mm-hmm.
normal and binomial distributions, getting confidence interval and significance testing. Everything can be done on calculator.
Mm-hmm.
But I have seen students struggling with the calculator use.
Mm-hmm.
So one should practice enough on calculator.
Mm-hmm.
That will save your time and improve your accuracy.
So, on the scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate the difficulty level of AP statistics? I mean, if it's easy, why is it easy? And if it's a bit difficult, why would it be difficult for students?
See, any subject is not easy or hard for everyone,
Right,
right? As
right,
I
right.
said earlier, that mathematics is one of the scary subjects, but
Mm-hmm.
for many it is not, right? For
Correct.
many it
True,
is very
true.
easy and it is very exciting.
True.
So what matters, that depend on the kid,
Right.
whether the kid has the required aptitude to deal with the subject.
True,
As
true.
far as the statistics is concerned, first
Mm-hmm.
requirement is the basic knowledge of mathematics
Mm.
and probability.
Okay.
That will be enough. And second is that if the kid has a little bit analytical mind
Mm-hmm.
plus an interest in data analysis, that will be more than enough to pursue AP statistics.
Okay.
And as I said that the design of this course is structured in a way that it becomes interesting or exciting for students once he or she pursues it,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So once it is interesting, it becomes easy.
True,
So
true.
overall it depends on the aptitude, if whether the kid
Mm-hmm.
has the required aptitude. That's it.
True. Okay, thank you. Okay, would you share some very important topics that falls under AP statistics?
Okay. Again, all chapters in the course are interlinked.
Okay.
If I say the broad classification of the topics in the subject,
Mm.
there are three parts.
Mm-hmm.
First is descriptive statistics, second is probability, and third is a little bit more advanced inferential statistics.
Okay.
So first 5 chapters of the course uh, builds the foundation for next 5 chapters.
Okay.
So if one has done first 5 chapters thoroughly, next 5 will be very easy for him,
Mm-hmm.
right? So the thing is, though the weightage of the last
Mm-hmm.
second part of the course is higher,
Mm-hmm.
but that required first 5 chapters. So
Foundation should be
yeah,
strong.
yeah. So
Okay.
basically, one should focus on all topics, and
Right.
that is it.
Yeah, makes sense. Okay. So, what is the ideal time, in a student's test timeline when they should be appearing for AP statistics?
Again, it depends on the student's choice. Means what is his or her graduation field, or what he wants to opt
Mm-hmm.
for. So if he wants to opt for engineering, so of course he will take AP calculus as well.
Okay.
So the recommendation is, if he is taking AP calculus, then he should take AP statistics before that. So
Okay.
the ideal time should be 10th grade mainly.
Okay. Okay.
But if he or she is pursuing or wants to pursue economics in
Mm-hmm.
graduation, then he can take economics and statistics together, and that can be 11th also.
Okay, okay. So I think that was it. And if anyone has any questions, they can drop their queries in the comment section below, or shoot us a mail at info@tutelapprep.com, or fill in the assistance form, which will be attaching in the description. And yes, we would like to thank Akash a lot for sharing insights on AP statistics. And see you again in the next episode. Till then, take care. Bye bye.